So the carpet is being removed from the stairs, and surprisingly the wood here is solid. And we're going to cover it up with carpet now. So the fellas removed the door going upstairs, and I have to shave about ½ an inch off the bottom. So all the carpet and underlay has been removed from the stairs, and now I'm thinking, why didn't I just sand this down and finish it off like that? So save myself $1,000, because it looks pretty good. That's all I can say. Yep. So we're covering this up with carpet, as I said. Yep. Yeah. Oh, and this floor here is just plywood, right? Yeah, got it. This is the carpet grippers. They're little tack plates here. Really? So he's put this part in, and the underlay is now on, and the tack plates as well. And this is the after picture. I still need to do a transition here. The gentleman was just saying that every stair is different, and he had to cut the pieces accordingly. I've got some leftover carpet that I put in the closet upstairs, but that's another job sort of done.